Yeah, hi. So this sessions we are going to discuss about the partner determinations. Okay, so what are these partners? Okay, for an example, if you're just already we have seen about, okay, so we are just selling, okay, so we're just doing the delivery and we are going to do the billing, okay, everywhere. So we have a partners, right? So the common partners, okay, what we have as a common partners, we can call it as, okay, so the sold to party and the bill to party. Okay, sold to party and bill to party is the common partner functions, okay, we'll be using for that. Okay, so it is sold to party. Okay, same way we can able to see the bill to party. So these two things, okay, it's a common thing here, so we'll be using for so the partner determination function. But apart from this, okay, apart from this, if you want to add something here, okay, you want to create a new partner function, you want to add some new functions or partners into this particular transaction and make it as an association and all these things, yes, we can do that. Okay, yes, we can do that. Okay, so how we are going to do that? Okay, that is what we are going to see that. Okay, so first we can see where this partner determination is actually it's applicable. Okay, so we have different areas where it can be applicable. Okay, so I'll just show you that. Okay, so in the back end and the front end. Okay, so then we can start. Okay, so let me go into the system. Okay, okay, so first let me take an order. Okay, so let me take an order here. Okay, just go to VS02 and take any order here. Okay, in the order, for an example, go to the header part. Okay, go to the header part and there you can able to see an option called partners. Okay, click on this partner. You can see the partners came automatically. You can see the sold to party and you can see the bill to party and the payer and you can see the ship to party. These four are standard, okay, which is coming as a standard. You can able to see that. Okay, for instance, okay, if I just want to control this, so for an example, the sold to party and bill to party and ship to body cannot be changed, or we want to modify that, or you should not be able to modify, or you want to bring the new partner function into that. Okay, you can able to see. Okay, so you can click on that. Okay, you can see some of partner functions are there, so where you can able to add it as addition. Okay, so how to configure this? Okay, so how to configure this thing? So that is what we are going to see. Okay, so this is applicable for both areas. Okay, so this is applicable for this particular order. Okay, especially for the sale orders. Okay, so we can able to make it up. Okay, one thing, and also the second thing, we have to go for the business partner also. Okay, so let me go for the business partner here. So go to the business partner. Okay, or else we can take the same thing here. So what is the business partner we have here? Okay, so let's take this business partner. Okay, right. So let's take this business partner and find this up. Okay, yes. Yeah, so there you can see, okay, the business partner is available. Okay, so now just go to the change mode and what you have to do is, okay, just go for the, okay, so the customer role. Okay, so I'm just taking to the customer role here. Okay, if you go to the customer role here, okay, so sorry, I need to go for the next role. Yeah, so there if you go for the customer role, there you can able to see the partner functions are available. Right, so if you click on this partner function, there you can see again the same thing. Okay, so maybe you can able to bring it over here to the business partner, and from the business partner the information will be automatically goes to the order. Okay, order or delivery or billing, so whatever, so whichever criteria you want, you can able to make that criteria over here. But at the same time, if you want to, okay, if you want to directly apply to the order or delivery or billing or something also, you can able to do it. So we have a separate option for that. So whichever is convenient for the customer or whichever is convenient for this particular requirement, you can go with that, so that will be easier. Right, yes. So now regarding the configuration, okay, so what are the configuration we have to do? So we just want to get into that particular part. Okay, let's go for it. Yes. Okay, let it be there. So let me go for the configuration part. So go into SPRO. Okay, go for the reference. You can see there is a reference over here. Okay, just click on the reference here. Yes, you can see the reference over here. So in that reference, you can able to just go to the sales and distribution. Yes, we do, right? Okay, go for the sales and distribution. Just click on the sales and distribution over here, and there you can able to see, okay, the option is, okay, so you have a basic functions. So get into the basic functions, and there you can able to see an option. Okay, you have a dedicated folder for that. Okay, you don't want to worry about that. You can see there is a separate folder for the partner determination here. Okay, so you have a separate folder for that. Okay, just click on this partner determination over here and just click on OK. Yes, you can see set up partner determination. Only one option you have. Okay, so don't, again, I just same thing what will happen for the text determination, right? So don't judge a book by its cover. Okay, so here just it's not one configuration, we have a complete configuration inside that. Okay, just click on the execute, you will get the entire configuration over here. You can see that. So this is the partner determination for the customer or supplier. Okay, both you can able to do it on the same way, and you can do it for the sales document header level, or you want to do for the sales document item level, or you want to do it for the delivery level or shipment level, and of course, okay, the billing header and item level. So wherever you want to set this particular thing, you can able to set. Okay, so maybe you can start with the customer and you can just able to match that particular thing here. Okay, so everything is okay because we are using the customer and creating the particular order, so it will come automatically because everything comes under the copy control, right? Yes, it will be automatically copied. Okay, so or else you just want to apply directly to the sales header or item also, it is fine. So wherever you want, you can able to apply for that condition, so based on that it will work, right? Yes. So where we can able to start is, let's start with the customer. Okay, so first let's start with the customer because there where the actual transaction starts. So without business partner we cannot able to move on to any other thing. So this is the first thing we need to start up here. Okay, so let's start this particular case over here. Okay, so I'll just double click on that. Okay, I'll just double click on that. Okay, you can see this is actually the partner determination, almost same like the text determination. Okay, almost related to the text determinations here. And here you can able to see there are lot of partner functions are available. You can see these are all the partner procedures. Okay, we are going to create a procedure and we are going to apply for that. Okay, I think shall we create a new procedure here? Yes, we can create a new one and we can start with that point. Okay, so let me go for a new entry. Okay, or else we can copy that. Okay, whichever is standard we can copy that. What is the standard one? So we have seen. Okay, so what is the standard one over here? The sold to party means SP. So SP is the standard one. Okay, what we need to do, just go and find the SP over here. Okay, sorry, that is all the partner determinations, right? So here you can see that this is the standard one. Okay, we just copy this particular case. Okay, copy this. Okay, and you can change it whatever you like. Okay, so maybe I'll just put, okay, so the partner determination procedure, I'll just put it as PDP. Okay, so partner determination procedure. Okay, right, I'll just give an enter. Yes, so you can copy that. Okay, then we can modify because we are copying from the standard only, so that will not make any big impact. So copy that. Okay, right, so just give an enter. Okay, so okay, so now you can see the partner determination procedure is ready. Okay, how we created for the text determination, the same way we are creating this determination procedure here. Okay, so now the determination procedure is ready. So now what we are going to have is, okay, so in this determination procedure, so just go for this option. Next thing you can see the partner functions in procedure. Okay, we are going to assign the partner functions for this procedure. Okay, so already we copied from the standard, so some of the partner functions will be available. If you want, you can able to just have it, or you can able to eliminate all these options will be there. Okay, yes, just double click on that. Yes, you can see this is our partner determination procedure, and you can see these are the partner functions which is already available because we just copied from the standard. So here you can able to decide what are the things to become. So maybe I'll just put, okay, so I need I'll just select all here first, okay, select all. Then I'll just make, okay, I need a sold to party. Okay, so maybe I need okay, so I need a bill to party. Okay, maybe I need a payer. Okay, so, and okay, yeah, you can see, okay, these three I need actually. Okay, I can remove everything, all other things selected, right? I can just eliminate that. You can just click on this delete. Okay, you can see. So now in this procedure you have only these three functions are available. Okay, only these three functions. Okay, only these three functions are available as of now. Now if you want to add something, yes, you can, of course you can able to add. Okay, how to add this? Again, go for the new entry, and what we need to do, the partner determination procedure is same. Now we want to go for the partner functions. Okay, what are the partner functions we have? So we can able to have all these things over here. You can see that. So what is the additional thing you want to add? You can able to add. So maybe I'm just adding the ship to party. Okay, so maybe I'm just adding the ship to party which is not there, so I'm adding that one thing. Then again, okay, I'm just adding one more thing here. Okay, so which I can able to add over here. So where I can able to add, for an example, any transport agent or something like that we can add. Okay, we have a transporter. Okay, we just add this transporter here and just give an enter. Okay, done. So now you can just go back, and there you can see all the functions are available. So now how these functions will be available in the front end? So there is some options. You can see the options here is no changes possible, the first option. If you activate this, okay, so the changes cannot be done. You cannot able to manually modify in any transaction or master data somewhere. For an example, from here the information will be automatically fetched to the next area, right? Automatically it will be fetched. But at the same time, if you don't want to change anything on that, okay, or else you want to have some kind of condition over here, so you can able to have that condition here. Okay, so that's what the change not possible. So we have given only for the sold to party. Only the sold to party cannot be changed. Okay, all other than can be changed. Okay, yes. And next thing you can see, okay, this option is partner mandatory. Okay, these all options are mandatory. We can activate that. Okay, if you activate this as mandatory, so without this three information you cannot able to save, or you cannot able to proceed further. Okay, so actually these three, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the ship to party also. It is mandatory. Okay, so what it means, okay, so all the four is mandatory, but the transporter I didn't give. Okay, the transport I'm not giving that as mandatory, and I'm just giving other four as a mandatory. And you can see, okay, only the sold to party I'm just given. Okay, not change possible. Other all things I can change it. Okay, I'll show you that. Okay, so now what we need to do, just save this first. Okay, save it. Okay, just save this. Okay, so now what we need to do is, okay, so we need to go for the assignment here. Okay, how to assign this? Okay, just go for this partner determination procedure assignment, double click on that. There you can see the assignment options there, because now we are looking into the business partner. Okay, so what is the assignment element in the business partner? The accounting group, right? Do you remember? Yes, in the business partner we have seen the accounting group. Okay, so the accounting group is the main assigning element here, because we don't able to assign for any other thing. So accounting group is the major thing, so which taking the actual decision. Okay, so for the accounting group we want to add this particular case here. Okay, let's find what is the accounting group of this particular thing here. So how to find that? Okay, so we want to go with the general data, and we have to go for the customer. Okay, general data, and you want to find that. Okay, so what is this accounting group? So this is the accounting group here. You can see that. So this is the accounting group TRE1. Okay, it's an accounting group which is assigned for this particular customer. So let's find for this. Okay, yes, so TRE1. Okay, enter. You can see this is the accounting group, and you can say some procedure. Okay, some other procedure has been already been assigned. So what we need to do, so we need to just change it up, right? So we just want to change it up here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, what is ours? We have given PDP, right? So PDP is ours. Okay, right? You can see this is our PDP is available here. Just give an enter. Okay, and enter, you can see. Okay, so now this particular case is assigned. Now this particular case is assigned. And what we need to do again, we need to give a save. Okay, done. Okay, it was done. And again, you have some more functions here. Okay, let me go through these functions also. So go to the partner functions here. Okay, you will get all the partner functions over here. In case if you want to create any new partner, all these things, you can able to create it over here. This is the creation area. Here where you want to create, okay, if you want any new partner function. Okay, so maybe, okay, I'm just checking that, okay, if anything is there. Okay, let me create one partner function. Okay, so what happened, you can see, just go for a new entry. Okay, I'm just giving a new number for that. Okay, x1, maybe I'm just giving this one. Okay, maybe I'm just putting as, okay, so forwarding, okay, agent. Okay, so new, I'm just giving like that. Okay, forwarding agent, okay, almost like a logistics. And how this can be, okay, modified, how it can determine that this can be a customer or this can be like that. So we have a partner type over here. Okay, so like how we create a material, so we have just given a different material types, so it is automatically changing that, right? The same concept here. Okay, so just go for this partner type, you will have some partner types here. So because the partner function which you are creating now, so how it can be, okay, so what it can be, so it can be a customer, it can be a vendor, okay, or it can be a person, or it can be a user, or it can be a plant, or anything. Okay, anything you can able to define. Okay, anything you can able to define here. So based on that the system will work. Okay, yes, based on that the system will work. Okay, for us, okay, for this case what I'm just doing is, okay, the forwarding agent, okay, I'm just taking as a vendor. Okay, I'm just taking as a vendor. Okay, or you want to take it as customer, you can take it as a customer. Okay, yes, customer means, okay, so you have to pay for the customer will pay for you. So in this case, okay, the customer, okay, we need to pay for that one. Okay, maybe I'm just giving as a vendor. Okay, and just give an enter. Okay, enter, you can see that. Okay, so automatically it came here. Okay, like that you can create n number of partners over here and it will be over here. Okay, and you will be having an option called unique option here. Okay, unique on the option in the sense, okay, it will be always unique. You cannot able to have any duplication on this particular category, all these things. Okay, if you want, you can able to apply this particular option, or else you can go with this option. Okay, customer hierarchy. Okay, you can able to set this in the hierarchy. Okay, so in the customer thing, you can able to set the hierarchy, in which position it should come. So what is the level of this one, you can able to put that over here. Okay, right. So if you want to add this one, you can just go to the procedure and you can add the procedure, sorry, add the partner into the procedure. That can be possible, right? Yes. Okay, now I can save it one more time. Okay, right. And finally going for accounting group functional assignment, let's see that what is inside this. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so the partner function, okay, you can see, and here you can see the accounting group. Okay, partner function versus accounting group. So here what we are going to do, so let's search for our accounting group. What is our accounting group here? Okay, so this is our accounting group. So TRE1, just put this accounting group, and okay, so there is nothing over here. Okay, so there is nothing over here. Okay, so let me leave this. Okay, it's not a problem here, because if you want to map this particular partner functions into this accounting group with the directly, okay, instead of having with the procedure, you want to connect the partner function directly to this particular point also, you can able to do that. Okay, so now without doing that itself, what is happening, we can see. Okay, let me save this, and what I can do is, okay, I'll just go for this particular customer. Okay, for this particular accounting group. Okay, so what I can do is, so let me go back, so let me come back with the BP here again. Okay, so let me search for that particular business partner. Okay, so go to the role, so this is the role, right? Go to the role here and go to the partner function. Yes, okay, you can see something. Okay, you can see this options are there. And same thing, you can able to go for the search option here, and you can able to see only 4 options are available here. Sorry, only 5 options. Right, earlier we have seen many options, right? Yes, earlier we have seen many options, but here you can able to see only 5 options are there, because only 5 we have assigned for the particular procedure, and only that 5 we have assigned to the particular, okay, accounting group. So only this is possible. And also you can see the sold to party, the first one we just maintained as a mandatory. Okay, it's a mandatory thing. You can see it is not editable, you can see, and also we have given not editable. But other things I can edit. For an example, even the ship to party, I want to change that. Yes, I can change that. Okay, so maybe I'm just giving some other number here. Okay, you can see I can change this. You can see it is changing. Okay, it is changing. But here I cannot able to edit that. Why? Because I've just making as, okay, I just given this as, okay, so no changes are possible. So I'm given as no changes are possible. What it means, okay, we are not allowing any changes to be possible on that particular case. Okay, but here I can able to change. You can see I change the ship to party. Like that I can change these all things also. Okay, these all things also I can change. Why? Because I'm not given any condition on the particular case. Okay, so this is the customer wise. Okay, doing in the business partner wise, it's super easy. So comparing with other thing, because everything is flowing from the customer. If you want to create an order, you want to start with, you want a business partner. So if you make here, so everything will be automatically copied over here. So you don't need to do the repeat process. Okay, this is one thing. The same thing, okay, you can do it for the other case also. For an example, if you go back, there you can see you have for the header level, item level, all these options also there. But only thing is the assignment will be different. Okay, maybe I'll show you here. You can see the sales document here, header level. Just double click on that. Okay, so there you can able to see, okay, again you can create a procedure over here. Okay, you can create a procedure over here. Okay, so the procedure over here and everything is okay. For an example, I'm just creating a procedure over here. Maybe okay, so PDP1. Okay, I'm just giving us PDP1 and enter. Okay, so your procedure is created. Then I'm just going for the partner function, the same option. Okay, the same option whatever we had over there, the same thing over here. What we need to do, so maybe I'll just give ship to party. Okay, so I'll give bill to party. Okay, right, so I'll give the payer. No, where is the payer option? Okay, you can leave that. Okay, so we can put, okay, ship to party, all these things. Okay, just give an enter. You can see this all things came. In this thing you can see that sold to party, okay, defaultly it is a mandatory and defaultly it is not changeable, but other things you can do as it is you want. Okay, as per the thing you can able to have that one. Okay, one thing. And same thing what we can able to have is, okay, just give a save. Okay, save it, this one, save this. And what you can do is you can go for the assignment part. Okay, earlier the assignment part, it took us directly to the account group, right? We are going to assign only for the accounting group, but now this is for the sales document where we need to do that. Okay, so it will be a sales document type. You can see that. So we are going to assign with the sales document type. That is the only difference. That is the only difference. Earlier we have done the same process, same procedure, everything, but that we have assigned for the accounting group because that belongs to the customer care. So now we are just assigning for the document type. So the document type wise it will be working on that. So whichever you want, you can just want to maintain that. Okay, maybe what is the document type here? We can able to see it is OR. OR is the document type. Let me go for the position and search for OR and enter. Yeah, you can see for OR there is a different procedure. There is a different procedure is available. Okay, maybe I'll just assign the procedure what we have done. Okay, so before that I will show you in this particular case. Okay, in order, go to the partner and check this. Okay, you have 4 partners over here and remaining all other things are there. You can see that. Okay, so now what I can do, I just change this. Okay, I'll just change to PDP1. Okay, and save this. Okay, so now we can go back. Okay, and we can try. Okay, so maybe sometime it will not reflect because this is already the order is completed. So maybe we can check, or else we need to create a new order. Okay, so go for this partner function here. So now you can able to see, okay, so you can see the option, okay, yes, you can see only 3 options are there. See, very simple. Only 3 options are showing here. You can see that. Okay, only bill to party, sold to party, and ship to party. Only 3 things. Why? Because in our procedure, we have assigned only 3. So it is very clear that, okay, so the business partner what you assigned, okay, will not be reflecting over here, because if you assign a new procedure for the order, okay, if you want everything to be a same thing, you just want to assign any one area, either in the business partner or either in the sales header or either in the billing. So where you want, you can able to assign. So my suggestion is always assign to the business partner. So that will be better. Why? Because from the business partner the information will be passed to the next level automatically, so we don't want to worry, it will be keep on passing. Okay, so if you just assign different areas, okay, so with the different procedures, then system will give you different things. Sometime it will okay, it will not sync. Okay, right. So now I'll put it back. Okay, I'll put it back in the same thing here. Okay, so that will be fine. Okay, I'll put it back and save this. Okay, now the data was saved. Now we can go back again. Okay, and we can try again now. Go to the partner. Now you can see, okay, 4 options, and remaining also will be there. You can see that. Okay, very instantly. Okay, very instantly whatever we change we have done. Okay, so that is reflecting here instantly over here. Right? Yes. So this is a partner determination. Okay, as per the suggestion, you can go with the business partner. That will be super easy, because when we do the copy control, automatically it will be copied to the order, and from order it will copy to the delivery, and from delivery it will be copied to the billing. So there will be a sequence, you can go with that. Okay, so please try to have same procedure for something. Okay, so don't have an individual thing. If there is a special requirement, you can do that one. Right? Yes.